Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Route 164. Today I want to review this box of Johnny Lightnings, and it's from the series Johnny Lightning Pop Culture 2020, and it's release 1. There you have the case code, and as you can see I have not opened this box yet, so I don't know if there is white lightning inside. Could be. So let's have a look and see if I'm lucky with the chase. There are some James Bond cars in this release and a few cars from the Monopoly series. So there are the cars in the case, and let's take the first one out and have a look. The first one is from James Bond, and it's Aston Martin Vanquish V12 from 2002. There you can see it's release 1. There you have some facts. You can freeze that if you want. And there's the packaging. There you can see it's pop culture. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There's the code. Some info. Some other releases, and there you can see the models inside this series. And let's have a look at the model itself. And this is a very nice one. I will order a next one from this Aston Martin, so I can keep one in package, because I do like the card art from these James Bond themes. So I want one packaged and one out of the package. There you have the grille. The back side, and the base with rubber tires. So that's the first one. The next one is a car from Monopoly, and it's a 2004 Hummer H1 with a white and mint green, it looks like. There's the front of the car, the truck. There you have some facts about this model. And there you have the back side. I do like the printing on top of this Hummer. The graphics, they are quite nice. So that's that one. Let's have a look at the next one. There's another model of Monopoly. Some facts. There you have the model itself, and it's 1933 Ford panel delivery. There's the front of the car. There's your top. There's the whole packaging. Okay, next one. There's the last one, 3 from Monopoly. And I'm quite a fan of this bus from Johnny Lightning. I have a few other ones of this truck. And it's a 1956 Chevy school bus with a game token. Go directly to jail. Yes, I love this truck. This is a very nice one. Nice front. There you have the top. Hard to see. Maybe this way. Okay, next piece. And this is of course metal base, rubber tires. So the next one is Christine. I do have a lot of versions of this car. But this is one with clean windows. Not black windows. So there you have some facts from the car. There you have your back. I think this is called the daytime version. And I have a nighttime version, I have a dirty version, I have a white lightning. And from Outer World I also have quite a few versions. But I didn't have a daytime version from Johnny Lightning. There you have your car, Plymouth Fury 1958. And the last one. And that's one of the best ones from James Bond, an Aston Martin V8 from 1987, I think. It's too shiny. I do have another one from this one, so I can take one out. I bought 2 of these. It's a very nice car, in real life also. There you have your front. Rims. Tail lights. And of course metal base, rubber tires. So that's my unboxing from these pop culture series from Johnny Lightning. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.